My name is Ingrid Liliana Camacho Pico. I am 35 years old. I am Colombian. I have been living in Mosquera for 12 years. I am live with my daughter, my mother, my sister, and my niece. I also have a brother and a nephew, but he's live in another city. I am studying business administration. I like to listen to music, watch movies, and go out with my daughter. I don't like pianos and rainy days. A month ago, I was in Melgar with my family for vacation. We went to water park Kellen Piscila. We left by bus very early since it is a trip of approximately 3 hours. When we arrived at the park, we upon our party switch to be comfortable and enjoy all the all day attraction. We start here a world tour to the pools, and during the walk we could see the animals that are in the zoo. We were in several blues, we rode the train, and we were to the incredible animals. At noon we went to enjoy a delicious lunch. Then we took a walk through another part of the park. To saw more spaces, the park is very large, and on the tours you could admire exotic flora and fauna. Around 5 in the afternoon, we got ready to take the bus back to our house. For the next trip, we would like to be able to go to Santa Marta and spend several days there, and I will enjoy the beach. To achieve this, we want to buy a vacation plan, and we will pay in advance to guarantee accommodation and transportation, and just enjoy with my family. Thank you.